2019. Welcome to Cooking with Carlina. On today's episode, I have the none other YouTube phenomenon, over 1 million subscribers, Tay Zonday.
Hey, how are you doing? This is going to be the Tay Zonday Bundt cake.
Okay, so we have strawberries here for you. We have white chocolate, dark chocolate.
There are too many options. It's all delicious.
But you got to go with your gut. Like what
Well, it's all going to make I feel my gut. I'm going to say we got to
Not yet. So let's start. Okay, first we're going to put the flour into the bowl.
Okay, because we got to make the dough,
We got to make the dough. This is not pizza.
The batter. We're going to start the batter. The batter for the Bundt cake. These are all sports terms. We're going to bunting in the batter, the Bundt cake batter, and pour the flour in the Bundt cake batter. All right, we don't need that anymore.
We don't need that.
We got
I'm going to go ahead and have you put in the sugar.
The sugar, okay, we have the flour. We're going to do the sugar. It's going to go right here.
Yes.
There we go. We don't need that anymore. Okay. Oh, wow.
There you go. So you're going to mix
this
that.
helps with that. All right.
You know what? I'm going to use my
this.
mom's term. She said you want to make sure it's mixed evenly. So as soon as you can figure out,
is this actually important? You got to mix the flour and the sugar so they're balanced and they're even.
Facts.
I look so enthusiastic mixing this. Okay, here we go. There's the baking powder.
I don't want to see the baking powder.
Oh my God! I just sprinkled some on the countertop.
Why would you
that's
do
a lot
that?
of baking. Well, it just jumped out.
Can you tell people your baking skills on a
Okay,
scale 0 to 10?
So my baking skills better than my English skills, hopefully. On a scale of 1 to 10, probably a -5.
Tell me, what do you hope to leave at?
I hope to leave at an 11, because I want the Carlina conversion therapy to convert me from someone who does not know how to bake to being a baking ninja.
Okay, I'm about to put some salt in here. This is a lot. I know you think it's a lot, but it's not a lot. Because remember, we have like more stuff.
Wow.
Oh my gosh,
and
it's
a lot just got on the counter.
A lot just got on the counter. This beautiful counter, this decor.
Very festive.
I know.
Did we say Happy New Year yet?
We did at the beginning. But do you want to say
Happy
it again?
New Year again.
Yes.
Wow, this is a lot of butter. Can you guys see how much butter this is? This is an enormous amount of butter.
We're baking it big.
How many cows is this? Holy moly. All right.
Why are you nervous?
I'm nervous about it splashing. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay.
Oh, what you just did!
Oh my gosh.
You know what, you guys? Hopefully this Bundt cake is good because we just lost.
We just lost some butter.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta be careful because you don't want to get any shells in there.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
Let me see if okay, you try this. No shell. Boom.
Look at that. Your pronoun, no shell. So
Did you just say I'm pronoun? Like that's a part.
I said you're
that's
a
a
pro.
That's a part of speech.
You're a pro now.
We do English class here. We learn how to cook.
Oh,
this is glue, right?
I have a mixer over there for you.
It's more fun to do with the spoon, though. Can I see how far I get with the spoon?
Yes.
The mixer feels like it's cheating.
It's
like
cheating?
the spoon, I feel spiritually connected to the batter when I'm doing it with the spoon.
Can I just say,
I'm making some Bundt cake. Making some Bundt cake right here.
Can I just say my crew's face looks mortified? I wish we had a camera to pan over to their face. I don't know if they're gonna eat your Bundt cake right now. You gotta keep mixing.
I hope it's mortified. This is gonna be an amazing episode.
Put on a little bit of almond and Jacques. This is optional. It's for those of you who don't like almond. You don't have to use it. And then my favorite ingredient, which you guys all know, is my vanilla extract with bourbon.
Oh.
So good. So good. So we're going to put in a tablespoon of that. Hold on. Wait. You cannot forget the bourbon.
Oh, wow. All right.
All right.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Go. Turn it up. Pick it up. Yes.
Oh, wow. This does a great job.
You see?
Wow.
Go ahead.
Let me see how this is.
Yeah, let us know. Or did we pass?
Ooh, that is some good cake batter.
Wait. Did we pass? Hold on.
That is some delicious batter. Like if the batter
We did a
is
great
any
job.
indication of the cake.
Yeah.
This is gonna be an amazing Bundt cake.
We're gonna put it in our Bundt tin.
All right.
With your spoon.
That'll put a bunting on it. Little Bundt batter going into the moat around the hole. Little Bundt batter.
Okay.
This is already very sticky. Did we spray this with like non-stick?
No, we didn't. We were supposed
Oh my gosh.
to. We were supposed to.
We didn't put any non-stick spray, and we can barely get this out of the bowl. All right, what did we do? This is not my fault. You better explain to them what happened.
You guys, I forgot to put the milk in the Bundt cake, which is why it's so
That's why it's so sticky. I was like, this is really sticky batter.
Oh my
Like, there's
God.
supposed to be something smoother about. We're mixing the milk in the Bundt cake bowl.
You know what? We're being innovative because everything happens.
Okay,
you
this is
said
innovative.
You said that you like to mix by hand.
Yo. Hey, we can put the mixer in there.
Can we?
I mean,
I don't know.
This is very.
We've never done this before.
This is new territory.
Oh my
This
God.
is like.
Oh my God, the milk's gonna get everywhere. Start on low speed. Start on low speed.
We forgot to put the milk. I can't believe we're doing this.
Oh my
Ladies and gentlemen, the first time ever mixing the milk in the Bundt cake bowl.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, it's getting everywhere. It's getting everywhere. It is mixing. It is, wait. It is mixing. It is mixing. Oh my gosh, it's hitting the edges. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Mama won't get this out with ALL. Holy moly. That's so much smoother, like actual cake batter now that it has the milk in it.
We got to put the rest of the batter in.
Oh,
here.
well, okay, there we go.
I think we should retaste our batter.
Retaste the batter?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, just because we put the milk in there, we want to make sure it's still good.
Okay. I'm doing my taste test.
Yeah.
With the milk. Post milk.
Post milk. I think it's still good.
Mmm.
Yeah.
It's more of a mellow sweet. Kind of a sweet that kind of mixes with the milkiness of it, but
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
I very much like that.
Okay,
That
so-
is going to be a delicious Bundt cake.
We Bunting told you. Okay, so we have white chocolate, dark chocolate.
Does this
and
go in now? Or
Yeah.
after? Okay, well.
now? Because we're gonna bake it in the cake. When are we gonna put it in after?
It could be like an ice cream sprinkles. Like you put chocolate sprinkles on top of your. I guess, okay, that's not a thing.
No.
Can I put like half of these in?
Yes.
They're gonna go in?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna put these,
You got
these in.
I mean, you
like
want to
this.
be pretty with it. Like now
Oh.
that whole part's just gonna be chocolate. You want to kind of spread it around.
Oh, we're
But-
not mixing it in.
No.
Oh, well, I thought we were gonna, okay. So this is like the bottom layer of cake. Or of
We
the
have
slice
to
or
mix it in
top
now.
or-
We have to mix it in now.
Ugh.
We have to do it now.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Here we go. We'll just layer it. But I want you to sprinkle it around it like that.
Okay, like
It's
like
not going to
this.
be perfect. No, with your hand. So it's actually more accurate.
Oh, okay, like this.
Yeah.
Like,
And then you go around.
little Bundt cake, chocolate rain. We're raiding into the Bundt cake with the little bits of chocolate. Chocolate rain.
Okay. Now, can you add the strawberries? I'm curious to see what technique you use to add
So are we
strawberries.
gonna mix these in at all before the?
Well,
we
I
put the
just want to
strawberry?
see where you go with this. Yeah, you want to mix those and then we put the strawberries on the bottom?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Okay. So,
So
we're gonna get the spoon
Okay.
and
How are you going to mix this?
just like this. Is this?
This is your Bundt cake.
I need a mother, Carlina.
I'm just kidding.
I need
No,
someone
no.
to tell me.
I'm just kidding.
I need someone to tell me how to do this. Okay. Oh, all right. Ooh, all right. Okay. So,
Your strawberries. Yeah.
yes, there's the strawberries.
Actually, I'm going to take one because I'm hungry.
Well, I want to take one too.
Do you like strawberries? You do.
They don't stay fresh for very long. They only like a day or two.
That's true. Do you think you're going to make this dish for your family and surprise them and be like, I got this. I know how to make a Tay Zonday Bundt cake.
You know, absolutely.
Yes?
I didn't sound very convinced there, did I?
No, you did not. I
I-
was like,
I-
you were?
And I had to hesitate, didn't I? I had to like, But no, I think it'll be delicious. Is that the right word?
Delicious, yes. And
actually, gosh darn it, I should be proud and confident that I suffered through calling the batter dough and not putting milk in the batter and all of the things, all of the trials and tribulations that we went through to make this beautiful outcome right here. Be on our way to 2019. We're gonna have the perfect start to the year with this Bundt cake.
The Tay Zonday Bundt cake.
You better believe it.
Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven for about 50
minutes. Whoa.
50 minutes. 5-0.
5-0. I didn't realize it would take that long.
We have it preheating. I don't think it's gonna take that long. I think it's gonna take about 40, but we have it preheating, so you're gonna have to go ahead and put it in there.
Okay.
You got this. It's just heat.
It's just heat.
There we go. The Tay Zonday Bundt cake
is in the oven. Hallelujah.
In terms of, everybody knows you're a fantastic YouTuber. You know,
oh, wow.
You've done Chocolate Rain.
You're too kind.
I know. Do you still keep in touch with your, followers from 2007 or any of the YouTubers at that time?
It's not like that because the world is kind of my following, so to speak, insofar as I can walk into a room in any city and some number of people are going to have seen something that I've done. And I can't hide. I'm just recognizable. I'm like Big Bird.
So where do you get recognized the most? Like, for me, I always get recognized in grocery stores. So what about you?
Really?
Yeah.
All right. I mean, as soon as I speak at the grocery store, like, people don't know it's me, but they'll be like, I've heard your voice somewhere. And then they're like, oh.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions to start kicking into? Aside from, mastering the Bundt cake.
No, I mean, the Bundt cake was such a high start. Although it might have a hole in it. Okay. I don't do New Year's resolutions.
You don't?
I do New Year's revolutions. What is the revolution of Tay Zonday going to be in 2019? What are we going to do to bring Tay Zonday to the next level of Tay? What can I do, and how can that be something, a partnership between me and the world? And we're going to find that out.
Yes.
And all I can do is wake up every day, be the best person I know how to be, and I think that's going to lead great places. The universe is going to take care of the rest.
I'm proud of you. This looks great. Presentation looks good. You know what? I think you've earned your 11. I think you have.
Oh, well, there you go. I went from being a not very good baker to an 11 on a scale of 1 to 10.
Well,
on Cooking with Carlina.
Wait. I do have to retract that number really quick, though, because we do have to try this, though.
Uh-oh.
So in presentation, it's an 11.
This is, all right.
Okay, so now we're going to get to tasting.
This is going to be the referendum. This is where we decide.
Here it goes.
The Tay Zonday Bundt cake. Did it come out? Is it good? Is it the best Bundt cake ever?
It's good. I like it. I like it a lot.
Seriously, the chocolate, Chips Ahoy has nothing on this. All of the cookies in the cookie aisle, I don't care if it's the Fig Newtons, if it's the little fishes.
That's it.
Oh my God, look at them. I didn't get to like the part with the chocolate in the middle. I don't even know.
Oh my gosh, the Bundt cake is so moist. Like, this is what I love about it.
Yeah. No, that chocolate in the middle, it just hits you.
Yeah, it does.
Because it's like, it's soft. Like the chocolate chips become this milky delight.
I think you just gave us like a TED talk of Bundt cakes right now.
No, seriously, like this, like I think this is it's a great experience.
Yes, and it was my first time too. This was our first time making a Bundt cake together. For this amazing recipe, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Thank you so much, Tay. This is amazing.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, and tell everybody where they can follow you.
Google Tay Zonday. I'm everywhere on Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. And also check out my new podcast, Chocolate Pains.
Yes, and you guys can follow me on Instagram @cookingwithcarlina. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, wait, I was supposed to say bye. Bye.